Welcome, everybody. My name is Colton from Zimtu Capital. Today I'm here with the CEO of NevGold Corp, Brandon Bonifacio, and the VP of Exploration, Derek Unger. Gentlemen, thanks for joining me. Today we'll be talking about the Zeus Project. You have several projects with the company, but the Zeus Project, you're noticing a 4-kilometer copper, gold, and silver trend in that Hercules Copper District. So what are some key takeaways of this release?
I think what's most important is just that the geological thesis is starting to be proven up. So every day we spend, every week, every month in the field, we're building a serious case that Zeus is a significant potential copper mineralized system. And I think these results really build on some of the geological work that our team had pulled together during the winter season. And now we're starting to prove that up. I think what's most encouraging here is we've got copper, gold, and silver property wide. I think there's a very nice trend that's been defined, as you mentioned, plus 4 kilometers. And then the grade. So at surface, seeing a large number of samples at 1% or north of 1% copper, but also with some significant gold and silver mineralization. So this is the first batch of samples we're releasing. There's many more that are currently at the lab. So it should be a very, very active and exciting next period from a news flow standpoint as well.
And some of these results are equal or better to the Hercules rock chip results from 2022. So how do these results guide future exploration on the property?
Well, look, I think Hercules was the first mover in this district. I think there's a lot of groups that are now starting to follow in their footsteps or successes. And thankfully, we were one of the first movers with respect to taking advantage of our Nutmeg Mountain 1.3 million ounce heap leach gold resource. So I think from our standpoint, the roadmap has been identified in terms of how to drive to a potential copper target by Hercules. And we're following that roadmap. We've done some of this initial rock chip sampling. We've commenced our soil sampling. We're getting some of the geophysics and IP data layers set up and established for those work programs to commence shortly. So it should be a very active next 1 to 2 months. And at the end of that robust, systematic surface program, we will be arriving at drill targets. And then it'll be a matter of testing some of the best targets that we've identified at that point.
An important point about this is too that the sampling we've done to date has really not been systematic. It's just as we've been staking the claims, we've been collecting rocks that looked interesting. So we're very pleased with this as kind of a first pass because it has established a number of target areas. And as Brandon mentioned now, it's really just following that roadmap that Hercules has already laid out: soil sampling, geophysics, detailed geologic mapping to confirm the compilations we've already done. And then that's going to lead us to the drill targets.
Well, gentlemen, we'll be excited to hear more about the summer exploration plans and see some more results. But thanks for coming in, and we'll chat soon.
Thanks for having us, Colton.
Thanks.